The Stack, Alex, a freelance content creator, looks at their monthly subscriptions: graphic design, video editing, writing assistance, music libraries. The total is staggering. The breaking point: a client's budget is cut, forcing Alex to absorb costs. They realize their profit margin is being eaten by software fees. A late-night YouTube rabbit hole leads to a video titled, 11 Free AI Tools That Will Replace Your Paid Apps. Skeptical but desperate, Alex clicks. The video suggests Canva's Magic Studio for graphics. Alex tries the AI Magic Design for a social post. It's shockingly good and free for core features. Goodbye, basic Adobe subscription. For long-form blogs, they try ChatGPT, free tier. For more refined, human-like articles, they use Claude.ai. The paid grammar checker is instantly cancelled. Video editing freedom: instead of expensive editors, Alex uses CapCut or Runway ML, free tiers, for AI-powered cuts, background removal, and even text-to-video clips. The learning curve is minimal. Needing a voiceover, Alex uses 11 Labs, free tier allows limited characters, for a realistic AI voice. For no copyright music, Mubert or YouTube's iAudio library fills the gap. For custom illustrations and concept art, Alex turns to Leonardo.ai or Bing Image Creator, DALL-E 3, using daily free credits to generate stunning assets. Gamma.ai or Beautiful.ai lets Alex create entire decks from a text prompt, replacing the tired old presentation software. Notion AI, free plan, helps organize projects and draft content. Otter.ai, free for limited transcribing, automates meeting notes. For a simple website tweak, GitHub Copilot, free for students/open source, or Codium suggests code, saving hours of searching. Perplexity.ai becomes the go-to for research, summarizing web sources and providing answers with citations, replacing several niche research tools. The Workflow Remix, Alex's old, linear process shatters. They now start with an AI chat for brainstorming, move to AI for image/audio generation, and use AI-assisted editing. Some free tiers have caps, watermarks, or lower resolution. Alex learns to strategize, using different tools for different needs and mastering, prompt engineering, for better results. The hybrid model: Alex keeps one critical paid app for heavy-duty final touches but builds the first 90% of every project with free AI tools. Instead of learning complex software, Alex invests time in learning to write precise AI prompts, a new and valuable skill. Alex presents a project done primarily with free AI tools. The client is amazed by the speed, quality, and lower cost. Alex secures the contract with a more competitive rate. After 90 days, Alex calculates savings, hundreds of dollars per month. The tool stack is now agile, modular, and nearly free. Alex stops thinking about which software to buy and starts thinking about which AI capability to leverage. The focus shifts from tool mastery to vision and direction. Alex now creates a video titled, How I Replaced $500 per MO in Apps with Free AI. They share their story, joining the community of creators who have unlocked productivity through intelligent, accessible technology. The cycle continues.